Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your camera sensor without damaging it or without risking it. To do that, I picked up this and this. These are cleaning kits from Ulanzi, but I'll use this. By default, I've set my camera to lock the sensor when it's off, but what I need to do is turn it on and then take out the battery so it will be stuck there. The other options are going to settings and disable that whole process, but I don't want to do that. Let's first look at the kit. So this is the Ulanzi camera cleaning kit. In it you get 10 sensor swabs, then you also get a brush. Behind it there is a very soft Bristol brush that you can use for removing more dust. You also get a blower for blowing dust out of tiny compartments. Those are dust particles to get. And then you have the cleaning solution. We also get wet cleaning cloths. And you also get cleaning tissue paper. Most of these I won't be using. And finally you have, they look like ear picks, but they're for your camera too. All right, to start off, I'm going to start by blowing the dust out of the sensor that might be there, the physical dust particles. And when you're doing this, ideally you want to have it at an angle like this so that you don't have more dust falling from up onto your sensor. But because I'm in a controlled environment, I can afford to do this. And already it looks clean. However, there are smudges and other things that we can't get off the sensor by just blowing. So we're going to use one of these. It's a pre-moistured cleaning swab. To clean, you just get this, and you're advised to only do it once. So just like that, the sensor is cleaned. So put this on the side. Can keep my eyes off of here. So before you cover your sensor again, make sure this is clean with not any dust in it, and then you can cover your sensor, protect it properly. So if you look at the screen, there is smudges on there, and to remove those, just move it across. I find this to be a more efficient way of doing things. You can pick these up from Camera Hub. They have them in stock.